3 teams, 3 engines in each, we welcome you at the Team Relay Challenge. We present to you the Journey Beyond Sodor team, Lexi, Hurricane, and Merlin. Let us all wish them good luck! And meanwhile, Lexi is going through a hilly section and Hurricane is the next. He's gotta demonstrate his skills in drifting. Wow! Check how he's doing it! Excellent! Well done, Hurricane! And now it's Merlin's turn to reach the finish as fast as he possibly can. And this will be not a very easy challenge, because there's a spiral ramp ahead of him. Come on Merlin, push it! Bring it on! Just a little bit more! Final thrust, and the Journey Beyond Sodor team finishes the round in 1 minute and 19 seconds. And now the team of Diesels, Diesel 10, Diesel, and Paxton. Well, these engines are by far not the slowest engines around here. Wow! Look how fast Diesel has started! He's gone through the drift with such an amazing speed! "34 seconds? This is 4 seconds faster than the previous team. If Paxton is the same fast, then this team's result will be obviously far better than the Journey Beyond Sodor's team. Look how easily Paxton is going along this spiral ramp. This is unbelievable. So, with the result of 1 minute and 5 seconds, Diesel's team is finishing their round. And now, behold! Thomas and Friends team, James, Percy, and Thomas! What a drift! What a performance! Sparks and stones are just flying from under his wheels. Come on, Percy, come on! And now Thomas. Woo! That's what I call the high speed. None of the Diesels has ever shown anything like this. Go, Thomas, go! Spiral ramp? And even this is not an obstacle for Thomas. It seems like he hasn't even slowed down. And finish! Unbelievable 58 seconds! This is a victory! Hooray! Thomas and Friends team is becoming the owner of the cup. Congratulations! This was an unforgettable challenge. I have never seen anything like that. Thank you for being with us, my friends. Subscribe to our channel, put likes and share this video with your friends. Oh, almost forgot, press on the bell to be always updated about all our new videos. Goodbye!